Excel Academy is a personalized flex-based model that truly meets the individual needs of each student. It is an honor and a privilege to work with each and every staff member at Excel Academy. Each person has a tremendous amount of passion for the work they do, and they really focus on understanding how they contribute to our students' and family success.
They really take the time to form that one-on-one relationship, create a plan based on the students' passions and interests and needs, and then be right there supporting and cheering them on the whole way.
At Excel, the student is not just a number. They are somebody that we come alongside with, and we get to build a custom approach towards education that works for them. They really do have an opportunity to discover their passions, their interests, their talents, and really become lifelong learners and dedicated to their craft and what they're working towards.
I love my coworkers. I love collaborating with them, coming up with ideas of how to best serve our students, how to help build community.
We cultivate a culture of collaboration by listening to one another and making sure that we are supporting one another. Our teachers are masters at what they do, and they lend their strengths to other teachers and build each other up. What makes the teaching staff at Excel really stand out is the combination of their care and genuine compassion for their students, coupled with high expectations and integrity to ensure that the student is learning.
Partnered with that desire for excellence in all that we do is a compassion and a relationship with our families that makes it extra special.
At Excel Academy, we have a sense of mutual encouragement and excellence that makes us not just a place where you show up and do a job, but more like a family.